Have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed those dark spots on your face, hands, or shoulders, and wondered if you would need expensive creams or harsh laser treatments to get rid of them? What if I told you, you don't? Today, we're revealing a gentle and natural solution that the beauty industry would prefer to keep quiet. A remedy that may work even better than anything you have tried before, and all without irritation or high costs. In this video, you'll discover 5 powerful natural oils that can help fade age spots safely and effectively. And I'll show you exactly how to use them for the best results. So stay with me, because what you're about to learn might change how you think about aging forever. Before we begin, take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps more people find these natural beauty secrets. And now, let's get into it. What are age spots? Age spots, also called sunspots or liver spots, are flat, brown, or black patches of pigment that appear on areas frequently exposed to the sun, like the face, shoulders, arms, and hands. They're especially common in people over 50, but they can appear at any age if you've had a lot of sun exposure. Over time, UV light, whether from sunlight or tanning beds, accelerates melanin production in certain areas, and as the skin ages, it becomes less able to regenerate evenly. Genetics also play a role, making some people more prone to hyperpigmentation than others. Now the question is, can we fade them naturally? Yes, with patience, consistency, and the right ingredients. Let's talk about the 5 best oils to reduce age spots naturally. 1. Rosehip oil. Rich in vitamin C and essential fatty acids, rosehip oil is well known for its regenerative and skin brightening properties. It encourages cell turnover and helps reduce the appearance of dark spots over time. Apply a few drops directly to clean skin, gently massaging into affected areas once or twice a day. Over time, your skin tone may become more even and luminous. 2. Frankincense essential oil. This ancient oil is revered for its skin rejuvenating abilities. It can help reduce the appearance of dark spots, scars, and uneven tone. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil like jojoba or coconut oil, and apply it once daily to the spots. 3. Lemon essential oil. Thanks to its high vitamin C content, lemon oil has natural brightening properties. It can help fade pigmentation and give your skin a more even tone. But remember, lemon oil can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight, so always use sunscreen and apply it at night. Also, always dilute lemon oil with a carrier oil before use, especially if you have sensitive skin. 4. Lavender essential oil. Gentle yet powerful, lavender oil has skin calming, antibacterial, and brightening properties. It can help reduce inflammation and promote a more balanced tone over time. Mix a few drops with coconut or jojoba oil and massage gently into the skin. 5. Vitamin E oil. A classic for a reason. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that helps repair damaged skin, reduce pigmentation, and support cell renewal. You can use pure vitamin E oil, or even open a vitamin E capsule, apply a small amount to the spot, and massage it in circular motions. For best results, leave it on overnight. If your skin is sensitive, mix it with a carrier oil to reduce the richness. Be consistent. Most people notice visible improvement after a few weeks of daily use. Now here's something special. We've created a powerful DIY oil blend using these ingredients, so you don't have to guess. Lotion bottle. Here's how to make your own anti-age spot blend. 20 ml rosehip oil, a 10 ml jojoba oil, a 20 drops of vitamin E oil, a 6 drops of frankincense essential oil. 3 drops of lemon essential oil, optional, for nighttime use only. Store this mixture in a small dark glass bottle with a secure lid to preserve its potency. Apply 1 to 2 drops directly to dark spots twice daily, morning and evening, always using sunscreen during the day. This blend is nourishing, gentle, and surprisingly powerful when used consistently. But let's go a little deeper. Taking care of your skin isn't just about what you apply on the outside, it's also how you care for your body and mind from the inside out. Staying hydrated, eating antioxidant-rich foods, getting enough sleep, and protecting your skin from the sun are all essential steps in fading age spots naturally. The beauty of these oils is not only in their effectiveness, but in their simplicity. They're affordable, easy to use, and free of harsh chemicals. This approach may not work overnight. But for many women, it's a gentle and empowering way to reclaim radiant skin, without needles, lasers, or fear. easy to wrap it up. Here's your gentle daily ritual. Choose one oil, or use the blend we shared. Apply it morning and night. Be patient and consistent. Use sunscreen daily. Take care of yourself inside and out. Have you tried any of these oils before? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss anything in the future. Thank you.